One of the defining differences of the care delivered at D. Wester Treatment and Research Center has been the development and utilization of health optimization therapy, a comprehensive therapeutic approach that applies excellence in medical science to the goal of helping men and women achieve and maintain the optimal versions of themselves.
Delivering the care necessary to optimize health has always been a complex endeavor, and now is essentially impossible to deliver in today's rushed and fragmented medical healthcare environment. In contrast, DTRC's success in optimizing health is a direct consequence of embracing this complexity through a comprehensive biopsychosocial approach. To utilize such an approach, DTRC created Health Optimization Therapy, or HOT, to graphically illustrate the rationale for such a comprehensive diagnostic and treatment approach. DTRC designed the Wheel of Optimal Health. Health optimization therapy consists of 4 components. First, a therapeutic philosophy that proposes targeting the 5 vital components of optimal health that contribute individually and collectively to create and sustain optimal health. These are optimal body image, optimal mental health, optimal lifestyle, optimal relationships, and optimal physiology. The second component is comprehensive evaluation through initial and ongoing consultations to identify all your health complaints, preventative concerns, and their potential causes across the 5 vital components of optimal health. Secondly, to identify and prioritize your treatment goals. Thirdly, to assess the effectiveness and safety of available treatments to meet those goals. And fourthly, to construct from this information your individualized treatment plan. And fifthly, reassess and modify your treatment to meet and maintain all your treatment goals. The third component is comprehensive treatment utilizing sex hormone optimization therapy, or S.H.O.T, the core treatment within health optimization therapy. In contrast to the typical HRT approach, S.H.O.T was designed for men and women of all ages to safely bring about the optimal response of all relevant sex hormone influence conditions impacting the 5 vital components of optimal health. The fourth component, comprehensive treatment that combines S.H.O.T with a wide variety of other medical, procedural, mechanical, psychological, and behavioral treatments that work synergistically with S.H.O.T to target issues within the 5 vital components of optimal health necessary to achieve your treatment goals.
Utilizing HOT to replace your downward health spiral with an upward health spiral toward the optimal health and the optimal version of you.
When one experiences improved motivation, energy, confidence, and sexual functioning from health optimization therapy, it not only improves quality of life immediately, but also supplies motivation to develop a healthy lifestyle and comply with other therapeutic and preventative medicinal and procedural treatments indicated by our ongoing reevaluation process. The improvements brought about by our treatments in regard to body image and health result in further improvement in energy, mood, confidence, and sexual functioning, leading to even greater motivation to protect those gains previously made and to continue the optimization process. This is the essence of the DTRC process for helping you achieve the optimal version of yourself. So the choice is simple. Remain with the traditional fragmented model and go to a weight loss clinic to pursue weight loss, a psychiatrist to treat anxiety or depression or attention deficit, your primary care doctor for thyroid, an internet site doctor for your hair loss, a sex hormone clinic for sex hormone treatment, a med spa for body sculpting and aesthetic procedures, sex therapist for your sexual dysfunction, endocrinologist for aggressive prevention of diabetes and cardiovascular disease, an anti-aging doctor for longevity, and another internet doctor for your ED. Or you can make an appointment at DTRC and receive all these things through real experts utilizing health optimization therapy, our comprehensive, integrated approach to helping patients achieve the optimal version of themselves. We look forward to seeing you soon.